Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to change settings in Subway Surfers. So without any further ado, let's get started. Look for the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, you can turn music and sound effects on or off by sliding the slider button towards the left and right. Change background music by tapping on the boombox button. Here you have various background music that you can choose from. Select the one that you like. You can change language as well. Click on the language button and select the language that you want to change to. You can connect your Facebook account to your Subway Surfers account. Once connected, your game progress will be backed up to your Facebook account. You can also see your friends' high scores. And that's how you can change settings in Subway Surfers.